Moving on, it's an exclusive story number 2 on the Amazon versus Future Group story. Now, ET Now has learnt that the Amazon Future Group dispute is headed towards arbitration, and this arbitration is likely to happen in Singapore. From what we picked up from our sources, Amazon has already sent a legal notice to the Future Group, like we've reported, for violating the contract and entering into a deal with Reliance. Let's find out more about this second exclusive news story we've got on the Amazon Future Group dispute. Nayantara is here to tell us about this. Nayantara, only yesterday we broke this story of Amazon sending a legal notice to the Future Group over this 25,000 crore rupee deal with Reliance. But today, tell us about the news that you've picked up. This dispute, I understand, is headed for arbitration in Singapore. What have you learned about this?
Just 24 hours ago, we got to that big story of how Amazon has sent a legal notice to Kishore Biyani's future coupons for the 25,000 crore rupee proposed deal with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries. Today, we get to part 2 of the story, and this is again an ET Now exclusive. Where is this dispute headed? Well, it seems to Singapore via an arbitration. That's right. Sources telling ET Now that Future Group as well as Amazon headed for an arbitration in Singapore. The contract that had been signed between the two parties had a dispute resolution mechanism that included courts, mediation and arbitration. It seems as if both the sides have agreed to an arbitration in Singapore. What is this going to mean for the timeline of Reliance Industries deal? Maybe that's why the markets were nervous, and you've actually seen the future retail stock today trade down. On a day, the bulls are all over the Lal Street. What's also crucial to note, of course, is that, as always, we wrote to all concerned parties a detailed questionnaire. Future Group still has not responded. Amazon has. Amazon has told ET Now, we have initiated steps to enforce our contractual rights. As the matter is sub judice, we cannot provide details, unquote. And the crux of the matter is Amazon, like we told you, convinced that the Future Group has not met its contractual obligations. And in fact, it is Amazon Global which is looking into all of this, not Amazon India. Amazon Global convinced it has the right of first refusal to the Biyani family's balanced promoter stake as well as assets. On the flip side, the Future Group sources are telling me the right of first refusal for the shares only kicks in 2023. So all I can say till then is watch this space. We'll be getting you all the twists and turns.
Thanks very much. We continue to keep you on top of this story. This was the exclusive that Nayantara has been bringing to us about the big dispute.